The navigation light rules for sailing vessels have one basic lighting configuration, that is of side lights and stern lights, and then there are several optional configurations. Now normally sailing vessels lights are not asked to students directly or mariners going for oral examinations, but sometimes you may be shown a ROR card or a rules of the road card in which there is a sailing vessel. So it's important that you familiarize yourselves with the lights of the sailing vessels as well, as you may have to identify them in a ROR situation and also describe your action against it. So paragraph A of this rule presents the fundamental requirement for side lights and stern light to be displayed by a sailing vessel that is underway. Remember that the definition of side lights for vessels less than 20 meters in length allows them to be either separate or combined in a single fixture. The combined side lights reduce power consumption as they use one lamp instead of two. Paragraph B carries this power savings even further for sailing vessels under 20 meters by allowing side lights and stern light to be combined into a single fixture and carried at the masthead. This combined navigation light is often called a tricolor light. It cannot be used, however, while an auxiliary engine propels the boat. So a sailing vessel equipped with an engine must be fitted with regular side lights and stern light even if a tricolor light is used when under sail alone. The tricolor light may not be used when the regular side lights are on. Display one or the other, but not both. Paragraph C presents an optional display that is much less popular than the tricolor light, but that can be employed on sailing vessels over as well as under 20 meters. The all-round red over the all-round green light are to be used with the regular side lights and stern light. Annex 1 requires that the red and green lights be mounted vertically 2 meters apart for vessels over 20 meters in length and 1 meter apart for smaller vessels. This arrangement makes it difficult not to obstruct the arc of visibility of the lower green light or lower green all-round light, so this option will probably rarely be seen. Paragraph D deals with small boats and rowboats. You can expect to see either side lights and stern light or a flashlight when approaching these kind of vessels at night. Sailboats under 7 meters are to display side lights and stern light if practicable. If the boat has a motor equipped with a battery, then it is probably practicable, not to mention wise, to display side lights as well as a stern light. The final paragraph requires that a conical shape pointing downwards be displayed on a sailing vessel propelled by both sail and machinery. The conical shape indicates to other vessels that the sailing vessel is a power-driven vessel for purposes of the navigation rules. Annex 1 to these rules permits vessels less than 20 meters long to display shapes smaller than the full size. That's it.